Welcome to the third session. In this, we will be going through the further steps, how to move ahead with this project. So now we have the data of all the Premier League football, uh, all the games played in the Premier League from 2008 till 18, and we have schemes it tells us the full form of all the full forms abbreviations used in the uh, data set. Now I want a table uh, which which shows me a unique list of all the teams. So we already have two columns, home team and away team. The data will appear in a moment. Home team and away team, and I just want to have a unique list of all the teams name. It's not appearing. Give a minute to it. I think my laptop is slow. Yeah, here we have the data. Yeah. So let's move to the query editor and see how we can do that. So to extract in now, we will be seeing how we can extract a column from an existing query or table and make another table and remove unique uh, items from that table. So these steps we will be seeing. So if you want, then just right click on it and you can see duplicate column, add column from examples, remove. There are various uh, examples here. So what you can do, you can just duplicate column. You can best one should be duplicate column. Yeah, duplicate column. You can take any one, home team or away team. Okay, and then we need to. No, I don't think that this function will work. Let's cross this and let's go again there. You can take home team or away team, anyone will work, because all of them will have a unique all list of all the teams. So right click and go to the bottom one, add as a new query. As I had told you earlier, all the data stored or tables which are stored here are called as queries. So add as a query, what this function will do, it will extract this column and make a new query. Let me just click and show you. We have already two. Now you can see home team. So this is what it has done. It has extracted a column and made a separate query. Now in this, what it's just a list. It's not a table yet. You can see the logo or the logo of this is like table, and this is like different. So it's just showing a single column here. So now then I have to click convert to table here. So once I click this, it will convert this entire list or the column into a table. So here you can select create table. The first options tells us do you want a separator by if there is any and delimiters on your data or on your list, like we see in the CSV and text file when we import them. So there are none for me, and if there are any errors, then also you can handle here. So there I don't think there is an error. So you can just click OK, and now this is our table has been created. But this has all the columns here, all the data, all the unique lists, and now I need to remove the duplicates. So to remove duplicates, we have a function. Let's check, right click, and you can see remove duplicates. You can find this remove duplicate in you can see remove duplicates are also here. So you can select the what I prefer, just right click, and we have options here. Frequently used options are with the right click here. So mm, just click remove duplicates, and we will have a unique list. I think oh, sorry, no, not duplicate column. I think we need to remove duplicates. I've just clicked remove duplicates. Now this is our how we can make sure that these all are unique list. Just go to the view, and you can just uncheck the column quality and column profile, or column distribution will also show you the things that how many unique and distinct things are there. So once I've checked this, so it's showing me count of this column. You need to select the column to get this information. Count is 36, errors are 0, empty are 0. So all these have. So that let me see the count distribution. Now this column distribution shows us the how many unique and distinct values are there in any column. I start showing. Just rename first this. It's okay. It's taking time. Okay, it's not happening. Column quality. Oops, valid. No worries. So these are all are unique items. You can see, but generally column distribution function tells us the unique and distinct values, how many unique and distinct values are there. So if I go and show you some this let me just show you. You can see this is how it goes, column distribution. I don't know why it's not showing on the this home team table or query. You can see there are 13 distinct and 0 uniques. So there's a lot of difference between distinct and unique. Unique means any value which is not repeated in that any particular column or in any particular series, that will be considered as unique. And distinct are those values that how many times a value, how many values are there in a series or a column, that is called distinct. So there's a lot of difference between distinct and unique. Unique cannot be repeated. If a number or any string or anything is repeated in a series or in a table or a column, then it no longer remains a unique. But a distinct can be repeated multiple times. So let me rename this as well as a team. Let's close and apply this, and I think we are good to move ahead with this. Apply and close. Now our almost data is ready, and we will be now working on the our visualization. We will be now analyzing the data, that how it work, different aspects of the game. We will be seeing the different graphs showing the different values and how it works. So let it load. For the moment, I'm just pausing the recording. So by the time the data is loading, it just re-explain the unique and distinct values on an Excel sheet. How it, I think the data is loaded. No worries. Okay. So okay. So unique. What unique is that 41, 50, 55, 630, 21, 7, 3. Okay. So when we see this series, this column, then I can see none of the numbers are repeated here. Okay, all are just once. They are not twice. Any you pick any number, whether it's 66, whether it's 1, 6, 7. They are just once. They are not twice in this series. So I can say all these numbers are unique. All the numbers are unique in this series. But when I see the distinct things, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this, if I see, let me use a function called duplicate. So when I see this duplicate values. Okay, so when I see this, there are how many unique numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only these 4 numbers are unique because they are not repeated. I'm just talking about this on the data in column C. There are only 8, 9, 4, and 3 are unique because they are not repeated. Once if they are repeated, then they are not unique. And if I talk about distinct, then distinct, I mean, if I go here and paste it, and so there are this many distinct numbers. Okay, how many numbers are there without the including a repetition? So this is called, this many numbers are distinct, and only unique numbers are 8, 9, 4, and 3. So this is the difference between unique and distinct. Unique will never have the, if any number is not repeated in a series, then it's a unique number. And distinct is simply the how many numbers are there in a series. Just count it: 5, 6. This is 2, 3, 4, 6 already there, or 5 is also there. 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there, distinct. So this is distinct and unique. Let's move ahead with this. So we have our the data. So moving to the visualization part. So in this, as we know, this is our canvas where we will be adding our various graphs and pictures. So to move ahead, let me just select a theme on which we can work. So as you know, in themes you can select different themes here, and it will give you different color combinations while working on the visuals. So what I want here is, let's go with this one with today. So you can select all this. Mostly this, sorry, mostly themes give you different color themes while working with the graphs. There's not much more on this. Yeah. So first of all, let's create an index page. Index page will be our navigation page. Okay. So index page, or you can create the front page. And okay, for this we need to import a image here. So how we can import an image? And first go to this settings, uh, and page information. So let's go to the format and page information. Its name only here. Canvas background. You can see there is an image here option. You can also go to the wallpaper as well. So I'm just going with the, both will add the same. uh, it will add an image. We'll just copy the I will just copy this location and paste it here, and I want this graph as my background, and then it says me normal. I will just change it to fit, and currently it's not appearing because transparency level is 100%. I need to reduce this, and you can see my images here. So this is how you can add an image. Now I have to also add two other images. One is the Premier League logo and the logo of my channel as well. So to add that, you can background it's there. So now we can use this function here. Insert, you can add image option here, and then you can select this. Yes, it is there. So I can add this. I think, yeah, it's in the middle. Fine. Now one more image I want. So click in image and the logo of my channel, and it must be here. Okay, it's gone. Yeah. So I can add it here. Yeah, fine. Now it's almost ready. Now, now we want to add a text here, which says data analysis. To add the text, you can click on text box and just drag it to write anything. You can just simply write anything, analysis, and you can change the font and everything. Which, yeah, this one is should be there, and increase the font size 20, 40. Okay, and drag it to the middle, and we will change the color as well, font color. And I want which, this color should be fine. I think it should be much deep. It's very light. Oh, Yeah, this is better. Now I need to make this background transparent for this. So to make the background transparent, you can just select this and it will be in center. And to make the transparent background, it's not in properties, title effect. You can see background on. So I'll just click it off, then it will make the background off. I don't think it's helping us to make the background transparent. So just click on the transparency level, sorry, background, and select here, and you can have the color as well. You can just go with this transparent. It's up to you, play with it. I think this looks better. Not sure that it's the best one, but yes, you can just play with this and set your color combination. So basically, my motive was to show you how you can add your text, and then you can change the background as per your requirement. Okay, so let's keep this still here, and now let's add. We will be having 3 tabs here. First one will be the team performance summary. The second one will be in goal analysis, and then which team is the most aggressive team and in which terms. So we will be having three tabs here. So for the 3 tabs, we will be having 3 buttons to navigate. For that, let's take the shape here, and we'll be taking this shape. Okay. The first one is here. Let me. Okay. And in this, what I will do, style. I want its transparent one. So just make it 100% transparent. Okay. And I want border for this. So I will take the color which is with this font, and width I will increase to 3. Yeah, I think this is looking fine. And in this I will add a text. So in text general, title effect. So I need to add a text. So text can be added from not rotation style. I think text you can see on, and in this we can add themes. Summary. Okay, and then you can change the color, font color. Let's keep it this. You can increase the font color 20. Yeah, 20 is fine, and font color should be the same one as border. It's not looking bad good, but still it's looking fine. Font. Okay, so now we have this. So let me just make a copy of this, and we can have the copy for the rest of them. I think they're not visible. No worries, we'll do something to make it visible. And in this we will be adding In style, in text will be, this one should go with your goals analysis, and this one should be your most aggressive team. Okay, now we have done this much. Now what I want, that if I hover my mouse on this, it should change its color. It should change background color. And when I click on this, then also it should change the color. So how I can do that? Go to the style on the action. Okay, not in the action. Uh, okay, not in the action. It will not in general. Let's go to effect background. Okay, I think I have lost it where it was. This is the latest Power BI version, so all the functions are have been uh, re moved in different places. So rotation, not the rotation. Let me just search it. Text, shadow, glow, not glow, action, bookmark, through page navigation. Let me just search it. Before that, let me show you what I want to do from this. So your, let me create a teams. Okay, so now this is team performance summary. So whenever I click on this, it should take me to the team performance summary. So how it will work? You can go to the style, oh, not in the style, in the action. You can go here, where it is gone. Action is here. In action, you can just go and you can select the page navigation. Okay, in the page navigation, then you can add the destinations, that which page you want to move while clicking on this button. So currently we have only one, so I'll just select this. Okay, so now if you want, then also you can use any URL here, but we don't need now. And if I it will only work when we will have control and click. So just click and control, it will take me to the page which I want, which I have just mapped it. So this is how you can make any button move to act as a page navigator. Okay, currently I'm looking for the function which will change the color. So let me just pause the recording for a minute. So there has been a small mistake. So in this shape, we need to have a button first to, so I need to remove the style. I need to just remove the content which we have written here. Where it is gone? Style, it was the text. Okay. So now go to the insert, and in buttons we need to have a blank one first, and then I just completely missed it. It's work only on buttons, and then is there other shape? No shape other. And this, then I can have the text here, team performance, and then we can increase the, let's 20 is fine, and then we can have this color. Okay, let's remove this one and this as well. And now select the button, and in shapes we have default here. So from the default you can just select on hover, and then on hover okay, style, I think it's on this on hover, text should be the same, and our background color should be, I think, let's make it red. Okay, you can see the font color is changing to red once I'm hovering over it, but I want the background color to change instead of the text. So how can I do that? Text, let's put the fill on, and we're gonna have this red. You can see currently it's showing me, once I'm hovering the mouse, then it's changing the color. Now what I want is, when I click on this, then it color should change to something yellow or something like that. So I can do that as well. First of all, select on press, select the button, and then click on press, and then you can fill option, and you can select any other. Let's go to more colors, and yellow, this one is fine. Okay, now if I go here, you can see it's changing the color to red background. If I control click, it's changing the color. Oh, sorry, I haven't assigned action to it, so let me just assign the action first. Page navigation, and destination with this. Okay. You can see when I click the button, it changed to yellow. So this is what you can do with a button. Currently it's that when there is a you are hovering a mouse over it, then it should change its color, and then when if you are pressing the button for the navigation, then also it should change the color. Okay, so let me just remove the border of fill off. Okay, it's something border of fill on. In this case, what I can do, default function is your transparency 100%. Now it's looking much better. When if I click control and click, yeah, it's taking me to this. So let me just make a copy of this. And copy this button as well. And change the name of this button. Style. And we'll have our Name of the page is goal analysis. And this one is our most aggressive team. Okay. So let's keep this session till here. So far we had covered in today's session about how to extract a column and make a new query or a new table, remove duplicates, how to add images, wallpaper, how to add buttons, and how to make them navigational, and how to change their color and background when we hover or do some activity on the buttons. So this is all in today's session. Hope everything was clear. Take care. Have a nice day.